Today we have the 2023 Volkswagen Transporter Camper. This vehicle has done just over 8,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we step inside, we can get a good view of our kitchen area, which is complete with our sink, cooker, and microwave just below. Behind me we have our fridge, and to the right we have our toilet. As we'll be able to see from the pictures, this doubles up as our 2 belted seats, making this camper 4 berth, 4 belts. As we pull this down, we can get a good view of our pop top. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as assist. And on the right, we have voice control and automatic headlights. To the left of our screen, we can access our radio, media, and menu. And on the right, we have smartphone integration and Apple and Android CarPlay. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with front and rear parking sensors. And just below our screen, we have our AC.